Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to access your promotions emails in the label list on Gmail on your PC with the new update. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Open up gmail.com on your web browser. Once the page loads, move on to the next step. Step 2. Locate the gear icon on the top bar of your Gmail inbox and give it a click. This will open up a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. Within the drop-down menu, click on Open All Settings. This will take you to the settings page where you can customize your Gmail experience. Step 4. Now that you're in the settings, navigate to the Labels section on the top menu. Click on it to expand the options within this section. Step 5. Within the Labels section, look for the Promotions label. Once you find it, click on the option to show it in your label list on the left side of your inbox. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Gmail account to show promotions emails in the label list on your PC. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. See you next time.